A very good evening, dear viewers of Semlik Live Media. I am Mande Wilson, of course, coming in with the live updates of what is happening in Vundivujo district. Of course, today it's 18th of May 2026. And of course, as we are still in the swearing in period, we do have the swearing in of the district chairperson, Honorable Tebakunula Robert, will be sworn in today as the district chairperson for his second term. Of course, his swearing in will also include the swearing in of the district councillors, and of course thereafter we'll also be having in the election of the district speaker. The district speaker will also be elected today, and of course the first ever council of this term will also sit today. So it's a beehive of activities that will be happening today, and of course giving you a background for a simple background of the recent concluded general election is actually Honorable Tebakunula Robert came up as the winner of the district chairperson seat, and of course merging with the 44,922 total number of votes that he actually pulled in the general elections. We do have our live reporter who is standing by for us. Chris Chibenduk, of course, will be giving us live updates of what is happening there. It's a very good evening, Chris, from here at the district. Probably we want to understand how is the situation like there at the ground, at the Boma ground, where all this event is taking place. How is the situation like for us?
Hey, our viewer, here at the Kawamara Memorial Square in Vundivujo district, commonly known as Boma Ground, Semlik Media is so much committed to bring you 360 degrees coverage here at the Kawamara Memorial Square at the inauguration of our chairperson, Local Council 5 Vundivujo, today on the 18th of May 2026. As you can see in the background, the Chief Administrative Officer of Vundivujo, Mr. Paul Walaka, is handing over instruments of the office to the chairperson LOC5, including the office stamp and the keys of the office. So remember, it is very vital for you to remember that the chairperson LOC5, now the incumbent chairperson Robert Tebakunira, was started the lead of Vundivujo district as the chairman LOC5 later in 2021 as he emerged as an independent candidate for this post, and now fully an NRM candidate for now in the office. He's the only chairperson LOC5 in Vundivujo who has led for the 10th year. This is his second tenure in office. So we will be covering everything here that is happening at the Vundivujo Boma grounds, Kawamara Memorial Square. It is very important for you to also know that it is not only the chairperson LOC5 who has sworn in today, but a group of the district councillors of Vundivujo district, the representatives of the special interest groups in the district and in the district council here taking oath today. So now that the chairperson LOC5 has taken oath, the next agenda is the district councillors as well having their oath as district sub-county representatives from different sub-counties in Vundivujo district, and now the special interest groups representatives for the people with disabilities, for the youth and the elderly. So it is a very important day to remember in Vundivujo district that it is today that one, it has been the swearing in of the chairperson LOC5 and his district councillors, and now thereafter, after taking oath, they will be officially electing for the district speaker and the deputy speaker. Remember, NRM already has candidates for the district speaker and the deputy. Like we have Honorable Smith for NRM, and then Honorable Wambale Daniel for NRM as well, deputy speaker for Bundi Bujo district local government. And then thereafter we shall be having the first council. We shall be having the district executive committee announcement by the chairperson LOC5. There we have the vice chairperson LOC5, and there the DEC, the district executive committee. Then thereafter we shall have the first council sitting of the district council, Bundi Bujo district local government. So we shall be giving you a 360 coverage here at the Kawamara Memorial Square for the inauguration of our chairperson local council 5. So, my producer, you would help me at least get pics of the big figures who are in the tent where the chairperson LOC5 has been seated. So there we recognize district councillors, and as you can see, the yellow capes, they show that most of them are NRM. Most of them are NRM, as you can see, and most of them are independent, and some of them, a few, are independent candidates. So the next agenda happening now is now the swearing in of district councillors, the sub-county representatives in the district council, that is the Bundi Bujo district local government. So in the camera you can see Honorable Kiza Moses Acrobat, the former member of parliament for Bugendera constituency. You can see Honorable Alisemera Jane, the NRM commissioner. You can see the chairman LOC5 himself, the former vice chairperson LOC5, and very many others, not forgetting the new district councillors, most of whom are incumbent and new in the district council. So please always remember to subscribe, comment, like, and follow Semliki Live Media, bringing you everything that transpires in the country, in the district, both locally, nationally, and internationally. So in my background, there are district councillors taking oath here already, taking oath. So allow me take you direct to those taking oath, including the speakership candidate, Honorable Tibamwenda Smith, representing Bubu Kwanga. And as I told you, he's the candidate for NRM on the district speakership position. Here he takes his oath.
I, Tibamwenda Smith, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I will give faithful service to the council.
Thank you, our viewer. As I told you, Chivenduka Chris Atem, we are very much committed to give you a 56 degrees coverage here at the Kawamara Memorial Square. As I have told you, we shall be having district councillors swearing in as
next
now.
Sunday,
I will let you see the district councillors one by one, maybe randomly, for who the priorities of buli muntu ebyakugenda ebijibwa byakubonaga mu sub county kedato egombora ambali arugiye so tukebifuka ko kwa mumo menya katubwera nebyahebe nduchi ebyakendihikire rekola ebyakalangiratre akendi binyaka kolako omachisanja chiwe kande akabinyaka representing egombora yeko wewe omwakaso eye district. So cameraman we fakendi fika akende ndaka tunanga mumo kwa mumo oleke mbweno hano tukwika yeko Honorable Alice kande ine Honorable owe Bundi Bujo town kaso hano oma district ye Bundi Bujo. Honorable Alayoti
ndiye baba Alayoti
we yoti abwe kiroke bwaro kene
ndede muno ni gwima kuli kanchitia ganchitia kemwe ndede kemwe kuika businguzi bwebwala.
Okay, honorable, we nkikyo kyo kutekereja mbintu kebyo kuika kukoro mu kisanja kyawe nkitandika ebejebo byabundi bujo town kaso ebyamani mani ebyo kubana otandekero munaka mu kisanja kyawe.
In fact kusekera a manifesto yanje nanga twakubantu balakalolo okwenda n'oguwa ebakomi bawe bakwetaxibwa. So sie nkugenda ebibakomi banje bangambela but they are lucky in their communities. For example, nga Transane kyo kubanja kukola n'oluguudo lwabo olukuluga eskolodi mumate ndiwe na baka kaloloma ekere na kukikola ntakalugi mu bebeli wanje mu
bantu bakukiraga muno kugera bate mu kubaga active abwere bwabururu mubaraga bururu nibo mukubaga mubara omuntu wabulikiro omukomi kubana interacting nawe kerato nakusoborora baite mukakwikaga mukanso kerato mu bwebembeli muno nebisabo byano temukubaraga kumanyerera abantu banse okutungo
kinke suba kaliki kusekekeraga amwebembeli ogumukomie. For example sienga njorede kama kankoma nintandika bwebembeli bwanje nkagenda kanyasembe ekwege already na groups anjise abantu nabo organizing nagambo automatically na moment in time office I'll be just taking services to them kusekera mbale njingi.
Okay, webale muno honorable Alice Nalongo abwabundi bujo town kaso Assembly Live Media tukugenda tukwikiyo buri kimwe ekikugenda maiso amukoro gune Assembly Live Media tusaba tuti o subscribing o following kandi liking na commenting otebuluwe. So hani still nkubani nkwikiyo abamwe mu ba district councilors bato kandi nemanyerera district councilor kuluga mugombora lyentotoro ese kyatpa
nese kurungi muri mutia muzeyi mwebare muno obaro twadedewe tuli akoraira mission district councilor kuluga ntotoro obaro mukuru gwa sembere kimwe ukira muno ninsi machi ya marusi 5 watogo amuna ba councilors bagendi banzi abakugenda kwenda kukuma speaker watu okubakweta tiba mwenda Smith ogutama liko ekomera kandi tubona na mutima gumwe na roho mukamaruanga bampera mugisa era yonka.
Honorable nkiki kyamani ekyo kubanja kukolera abantu bantotoro mu kisanja kyawe nkitandika
kintu kyo kubanja orodebe turabitandiki nangabazeyi batandiki kubahandika ababa babengi kutunga sente za sezi ekyakabere nachuyemo kugamba ngo mase gakinyankenda lego natandikiro nanga ababali kube muno niko tugende aba boda tugenda abakali abafakati ababanagirize kubara myaka na myaka abanabo nibo kuba kutandikiro na sukuru ya Buhundu primary school nange gitali primary school yona ya government aided amwe na senior secondary school ya Ntotoro ekibaguliye butonotono nebingi kubanengera nabe bati binibyo ebyamani mani bari yagonja Tedison district councilor Ntotoro sub county.
Okay, omusamaliri we Assembly Live Media wabaga honorable Tedison district councilor elect hawe gombora yefo Ntotoro beno hanonge kuichako outgoing vice chairperson ole C5 kandi bwa nayo eni ana hano hawe lahireria munabwire honorable twamata mabya nawo
wasinja
uyo wero chiro cha munabwire
is historical and I want to thank the voters of Nduguto sub county for entrusting me for another third term. Wow. Ni bendo byahe bya rubaruba byukende kolako nobundi ukabwa wote wasubulira yakutsa ukanzetsi especially to the people of Nduguto. We are going to start with the administration block of Nduguto sub county. They also have a plan of also establishing a project especially for GFS, what we call Rabata GFS. Elangenda bandobe musitwe yoruna bakanya mesa wali clean amaisa na nemunda ali hikigalira yekasanze then namusabingana bandobe mirama. Tukitukalwa tukalangere tukasa yongera omutendo wekisomo cyetu. Elangere ekisomo cyetu mu Nduguto sub county kikabya uplifted. Elangere at least tukabya one of the model sub counties elangere tukatunga first grades kwa bana betwato kile excelling. Last week is the issue of the health facility. To come making sure that at least Nduguto sub county must have a health facility so that abantu batwaleke baka moving along distance because this is a presidential pledge where every sub-county must have a health facility.
Honorable tukibo kanda kenda ketote mubako ha ofisi ya vice chairperson LC5 kandi ba ofisi ya tukalengekana ya tushana bonde ikakukora bize kutsebo esole tunga abandi bani mu babate no bonde bamabi ku ofisi iringeyi sole tunga obushuko bukaunza omwa abandu boko wawo ambo mukabaneka obushuko bwa karurubuka yahika betu okwa bushuko ngabo no hatia obo ebye mukahirira yabandu emwe ababulako ukachibwa kuti
echo sicherebya because at least ngolonga nimwe komuba komibaye kandi cyakabere kicerekere banyisuburi mu makanso kuna byase ndi bahikamu sebanganye interesting for the third term wasinja kutsaba.
Okay, that has been our outgoing vice chairperson LC5 for Bundibugyo district local government, Honorable Wambale Joel. Kandi bwa ngokuna abe kubera tukobapaka ntukwikiyo buri kimwe ngoko kabone group ya ba district councilors zala bona abarenderiye okulaira kandi we are very much committed kukolekia buri kintu ekikugenda mu maiso hakiroke barokine. Over here, Honorable Isayotia.
Isayo mukama wanje.
Ori Assembly Live Media.
Wewe wale mono kuni hostinga.
Ni wani kandi ori presenting sub county ya.
Marina ni Kamonyo Anthony District Mero Youth Councillor. Omukoro ngokongo bone mukoro gusemere kimwe ngoko tutaguneraga ne kongo bone gore.
So we ngomo ebemberi ni priorities syaha esoko bando handolinga mukisanja kenera mbana kwa ofisi ya.
Sie ngomo ebemberi wa bajongo ndina kolorante mu myaka 5 ene naro ngisiyo kukolera bajongo kolorango program cia government cia ikiyo mojongo wena mbali akali mu district mone.
Abantu babonde bogyo okukera muno abajongo abolia ku representing abara bali na different talents ngomopera bekebeke kandi tugendi ntulora mu district senje ebetone mu ba youth byagendi byeyongera bube bulimbi bibebeke wenga we mu industry ya entertainment kedato mu talents siona esbana abare na shomo bonde bogyo. Which one will be your very first priority mu office?
Sie kasta obona kamari kuta mu office priority yanje yokobanja andi na kolorango talent yo mupera na gendi kugimukia hane ebonde bogyo. Uno ingumukia mu morengo nte ndaroraga ngo na indi ko organizingaga sub county leagues, district leagues, inter sub counties kolorango to eni tumanyerera abana abare mu magomboro gembaganija abamanyi kusamba mopera neko togube kolorango to abayimukia kubayikia arorengo rwembaganija. Namarera ende Kamonyo Anthony, the district Mero Youth Councillor.
Okay, our viewers outside there, this has been Honorable Kamonyo Anthony, Male District Councillor waba youth ha district yatu ya Bondebogyo. Kana nagrati priorities shoko banja shako bana tandekiro neko ebetone kedatu talents ebesembo ebyabana kedatu abajongo mu district ya Bondebogyo ambali agiri ate omupera niyo kuba priority yo kubanja omubajongo kulorante aba youth bagoborora mu ntegeka ya government kandi seresha sports omudoketi ya sports Ministry of Sports and Education. So ara ndichibenduka Chris Athem kandi ngokutaka baraginsaniye tokogenda tubaiki obuli kimwe akeko banki genda mu maiso hane ha Kawamara Memorial Square tukusukyante umukoro gwa kuraira okwabe bemberi batu mu district ambali chairperson LC5 yamali kubana raira then ala okuraira kwaba district councilors niko kulia kugenda mu maiso so nkugumya ko nenkwa na hoye tokobanto genda kedato mbato twala omukokoma embugiriri kedato speaker hamwe na deputy we hane mu district yato ya Bondebogyo dumbiara chairperson LC5 akuba na noreki abantu district executive committee egakugenda kubana akora nayo mukesanja kinira kyankumebere abere na mukaga nkumebere asato nemwe so kugara bakubamba tunga the first council meeting. So Chibenduka Chris hamwe na timu yatu ya Assembly Live Media tukubantu kwikyo buli kimwe oyontogira tuti o following o subscribing o liking hamwe na commentinga webale muno omusamaliri wetu muboya owesemuleke online tv troka kusima habwere bya euna china twamire erirwa ho twagatukira omwaka orono erikesa hano ewo chinene neribwa ngokuno nabe kobwera internet magenda mukukoma kwaba speaker district speaker wakaso ya district yatu ya Bundibugyo district local government ngoku ebikwete kutuikone nti honorable Teba Mwenda Smith ni agendi na singa hakia district speaker kandi ali district councilor wegombole lya bubu kwanga aba agendi na singa kedatu mukama singa no kane babaga muno musasa mukuru Bagambe Moses. However, there are mu community alario abali akuleki abateboti badedewe ne byalugi mu kalolo kanana kandi abo amwe mu ba senior politicians around Bundibugyo mobomwe tolena wakabale vice chairperson LOC5 wa district ya Bundibugyo kandi ali omusasa Vincent Barnabas twama kutangira mzee wasinja ule kwa Semuliki online tv.
Okay, masinja kusebo
bueno ekiro kya munabwire ewomwewe wamala chama kwendera chete
ekiro kya munabwire injenga Vincent oyuwasi okubya afayo bye politike kye Bundibugyo chamanyendera nabe kutsebo songa mali kinende chamanyendera nabe kutsebo kunde twamaluzinga one a speaker a material you a speaker oyo wangatoka rebe enyake handling kasondeke ise
oyo wa
silosi oyo twamaluzinga Bagambe honorable Bagambe Moses honorable Bagambe Moses ni omundu akahandling kanso ise out side ise out oluhando lwake ndegwerako echakabere echamanyitwara nabe okwachiro kya munabwire luzinga ekitumbi kyo district speaker yes ya mission esiteirwe nobukama obubudinja bwa bwamba akwesegekera okwabaro yabandikira Ministry of Local Government bakahiraho esyangako esahambangene okubugendera district now echamale kina ina kutunga susubali lyerangire ndate bakakolesa yumwisoyo elangirinde ebyo basaba omachande ko cyabo ekyo bakabira bayo kwa meza yabo oyo district speaker neko bibibe ebakakolekera because hatesa nibakabenga baote majority omakanso baote majority support so bakabya saheno ngabakanze implementing ekintu cyabo ekyo neko kirabemo kitunge actually kibye kirayero kirabe makanso nero district yetu yebwendera bale mesa yeyo ngokutwa bande turere district yebwendera and this is my appeal ngapilinga ku whoever is looking at me, whoever is watching me, and Honorable Smith yarera bamo councilor wa representing Bubukwanga sub county. It's to me si chamani amabi nyangana hambere inyangana bya neutral omuhandling district council as a speaker si cyanyitwara nabe betu cyamabe ni cyenderero ekiribwende bakanza ekihandiko cyo budinje obo cyahandika kibaka cyandikira Ministry of Local Government echerita bangure bugendera yetu bwendera siyase baluse mutama mutunda baluse montotoro kandi abo ba isese sub counties stroma bilikalana erizo butuku actually system memory ho bwendera ikaberaho etunene sub counties esyo chamache chendero chebundi bakakora iminati eyerevokinga district bwendera district minute resolution then aho bakebe bamatukola nabe and twenga baendera stress abitu komisiza ekintu ekyo tukesikale tunamwa advocatingira erangende tukabya liberated tukatunga district yetu ebwendera
twebo se tunacha singo ku council yetu ebundibugyo mole aba councilor abariri ebwendera nabariri ebwamba so itukalengekana bule mundu ali akoma mundu oyakalangira ati alimo butocho bwa rekola so nirengekania chere kale kuwo botalenga baotende agenda kandi tunotemu abagendera kandi banaote nambanye nene eba banganaenda no mundu yiwole botatole nyabini akala
Honorable Smith sibali amukomera bokore Honorable Smith bamukomere ebyenderero abende there is a hidden agenda njenga lema nanga butiro mabudibyo muntu I've ever been a politician for 5 years I've been serving as a district vice chairperson owe Bundibugyo so sahali chonga trasi chiri political a hidden agenda ereho area rakiba kuma Honorable Smith si yeribwende kunde as anganako lirisinga Bagambe ye twanabya nayo makanso was honorable councillor analo makanso where I remember we district executive aloka kolanga secretary social services nature he chama ne chukebute chama improvinga significantly oma social services sector sichereho kwa chiranga sichereho emekolere iwe yose chonga masiko ali tribal ali so tribal even mwinga chirangana ututukero mapodi ma ututukera hali he bypassed me kama first of all sende mo koma sinanga koma sende councillor sinanga kumuba speaker betu kuna nachasi I have a wife honorable Kabuo Vike Jane Binzede anachasi oyo by the virtue ndi mukali wai sanga mo akaroro kunde anasi emekolera yewe so secondly aba honorable councillors zebe bugendera bali divided because of the camps esiri ya bugendera bali divided on ground zisi Chibanzanga na honorable Corbett honorable Chibanzanga ngabo lechikale kabandu bamurangirange thireti hanonga dichi abandu bakaye kolomunda already bakabibya babere huluka omakanso bamabwa bate atwama tukeriwe binyo bakando ebekonjo twabehoye twama ebulia bate ebekonzo bamabiswire bamaswire anabya bagambe final wa mukonzo sali representing abakonzo basaka representing a district ni chalo karonde representing a district council no bya masabete bya ebekonjo twabehoye so as a political side is a social bwendera sikali kitwa bwendera itwa ekolomunda for example it is on record and our district councillors abo kwa said ya honorable Corbett they can't start with the district councillors abo kwa leni ya Chibanza so echongali asabane cha hamabe haute chenderero chiribwende we want unity and development echangali kitobo SSID so si tutasa how manage tukarwanise a common goal
honorable Fukaya Unzarera iya wa mulangerali yao en a district council yaba komebirweyi kandi bwa yo iba mabe koma na district speaker ukalangera a performance yayo kuti emekolere yayo kandi byayira
tumina much predictinga emekolere yayo ami imitating emekolere ya honorable Bagambe Moses because anabyo makanso honorable Bagambe Moses abaramunga speaker imitating that kind of good deeds as an example council inyaketokayo beto amabya biased amabya tribal amabya biased amabya sectarian obo council ekemulema because the council yebundibujo you need to balance analysis anganda sinene esotolere wa rangiru ukabalansinga nako tsebo issue ya bugendera eyo CS atadaku issue ya bugendera district it is a very contentious issue chamache chendero cheribwende they will revoke the minute okosegekero kwa rumors zisikabya spread around itwenga baendera we shall not accept that yes
kare wasinja kutsebo musha kolobenza de bana basi twamata ma erebyana wa chiro cha munabwire ogwabaga honorable Benza de bana basi owakaba ali vice chairperson yelo C5 aba district yato ya Bondebogyo omwaka 2016 paka 2021 kubone kumi ya Assembly Live Media kandi ngokutoka kugangiye tukugenda tukwikyo 360 degrees coverage hane Assembly Live Media ndeno musasa mukuru Juma kandi ali omwe aba outgoing councillor mo district local government yato ya Bondebogyo so critics kedato abakuchenjuraga evento banje mbo bagira bate district speaker owakomebewe omunyorote bamwenda Smith akomebewe abasonga senje na senje setare songa siabulonge bwa Bondebogyo so musasa Juma kugana natoka mbera side ye ya story maji makuo omusasa Smith bamukomie tane na capabilities yanga monto na ndeke bamukomie abasonga senje webare muno ngukwasa ngunyanjo enishoni Juma wabaka representing ya Msaro council ya Hoyo mazima Smith ubumanye he has all the qualities esa kuba speaker asavingie myaka 5 mu regime ya Mutegeki asavinga myaka 5 mu regime gitwa marereye yataka kunura kandi ali member executive so bone mwaka gwe 15 tamu ya kasatu ana mu council egikukoleka ante myaka 15 nona kola mukento kemwe okuba already my gaining abeke experience then na ye bintu byasi na kola ko omuntu byoke kemwente ali na experience
so abakwena berale client Smith tele experience ebembe soba nga propaganda cyabagenzi batu.
Okay, ali okinto kyakugera nti Smith bamuletie kwesemba kya district speaker abakora nti driving a district council atetasima district ya Bugendera kogeha district status mukisanja kenera
ebina byombi soba bagenzi batu ababugendera basi nabyo mbasireteninga abakonjo abali mu council kubagamba nte mbana ko Miss Smith dumbi a district ya kuliki ya kuyabene besoba nangenende the district status ya Bugendera area above district council ya Bondeboge area above chairman C5 area above member of parliament wena owa Bugendera owa Bwamba owa district na buli muntu wena mu capacity ke nanga I remember very well in 2010 nibo a resolution ya by passed mu district council enela ya Bondeboge yaba submitted to Ministry of Local Government about elevating Bugendera district into a district status. Since then twabone this year kokasi nerugayo nemanyerera eminati yege mbagitwara mu kokasi ya NRM kyarugayo mba directing anti Ministry of Local Government are making Bugendera to be a district. So you might say it is now above anyone. So abakote kukolesha district ya Bugendera kwa achieving revenue yabo no babadema nangenende a district council take an authority kutoka kusalia eminati engineers aba district already kama kwake kusaba so bagenzi batu abasiye bamanyi bate okuma kwa Smith kile na impact yona district status ya Bugendera ebembe subana byode
we mukora kwawe aren't there factions kedatu divisions mu district council enla akurugirira abijegere ebetore nabyo byabonde bugyo political camps nga side ya Honorable Acrobat Kiza Moses na side ya Kibanzanga. Isn't this very visible mu district council enla Kisanja Akinia kematandeka?
I cannot tell you that about that but bijegere tibi atandikiro bwa. I remember very well tunalebato Acrobat was been fighting with many candidates up there. So even in the council gitotoyemo abagale mu friction there against Kibanzanga and Acrobat. Eni kuene Bwamba Honorable Gafabusa na Dr. Kamanda. Honorable Mutegeki na tibakonerwa ababaga bari pro Mutegeki already bakasaba gangi but tikyale message district cooperating tikyatole message kwikyo bantu services. Oro this is to my fellow councillors abasi kukolera abantu turuge mu bijegere because tukubara koreka abantu ekyari kibato koma ntolage ne mukurwana manyake banzanga manyakorobate tukumana tuleme gukomera kukolera abantu batu. What you have to do now is to make sure that abantu bambati abatungi mase batungi rugole bantu babubukwanga batungi services and everywhere in the entire district.
Kale we bare muno Honorable Juma we bare muno abebugambe berongebe na mukotingie ate he appeals to the district councillors elect na bane abalaye kurorante baruga mu bigambo byabijegere oyo bafokasinge akukorera abantu ababonde bugyo ababugendera hamwe na Bwamba nabaga Chibenduka Chris Athem habwa Semuliki Live Media.